COVID-19 is an infection disease caused by newly discovered coronavirus. Most people infected with the COVID-19 virus will experience mild to respiratory illness and recovery with requiring special treatment. Older people and those with medical problems like ulcer, diabetes, cancers, etc. are more likely to develop serious illness. The best way to prevent and slow down the transmission is to be well informed about the COVID-19 virus disease, its causes, and how it spreads.
The virus that can cause COVID-19 spreads easily from person to person. Data has shown that it mainly spreads from person to person among those in close contacts. The virus is spread by respiratory droplets when someone with the virus coughs, sneezes, breathes, or talks. These droplets can be inhaled or land in mouth, nose, or eyes of a person nearby. It can also spread if a person touches surface or object with the virus on it and then touches his or her mouth, nose, and eyes, but the risk is low. Some reinfections of the virus that cause COVID-19 have happened, but that have been
Impact of COVID-19. The outbreak of COVID-19 has detrimental effect on global healthcare system with a ripple effect on every aspect of human life as we know it. WHO declaring the COVID-19 outbreak as a global emergency on January 13, 2020. In response, government have enforced border shutdown, travel restriction, quarantine in countries which consist of world's largest economic sparking fear on the impending economic crisis and recession. Summarizing the effect of COVID-19, focusing on primary sector which include industries involved in extraction of raw material, example agriculture. Secondary sector involved in the production of finished goods which are manufacturing sector, and tertiary sector including all services production industries.
COVID vaccination. India is all set to commence with the third stage of vaccination. There are almost 7 vaccines available at 3 platforms all over the world. India is currently available with 2 vaccines, Covishield and Covaxin. These both the vaccines are homegrown by India. Both the vaccines are given as a dose and are injected on the upper arm muscles. The second vaccine is given 4 to 6 weeks after the first dose. A COVID-19 vaccine produces protection against the disease as a result of developing an immune response to the virus. Developing immunity through vaccine means there is a reduction in risk developed by the illness and its consequences. This immunity helps to fight the virus. Getting vaccination may also protect the people around you. But if you are protected from getting infected and from disease, you are less likely to infect somebody else. COVID-19 vaccination are safe for most people 18 years and older, including those with the pre-existing conditions as any kind that are stable and
Possible side effect of vaccination. COVID-19 vaccination will help to protect you from getting COVID-19. You may have some side effects which are normal signs that your body is building protection. This side effect may affect your ability to do daily activities, but they should go away in few days. Common side effect: pain on the arm you get vaccinated, fever, headache, muscle pain, tightness throughout the body. To reduce discomfort, when you got the shot, apply a clean wash cloth over the area. To reduce discomfort from the fever, drink more and more water and can take paracetamol prescribed by the doctor.
Let's talk about current scenario. India is reporting highest number of cases and second highest number of death rates. Let me explain from the spread how a COVID patient is killed in 3 steps. The first step here is that a healthy human being is sitting at home away from the sunlight and fresh air. There is no physical activity. A number of people have lost their jobs in the corona pandemic, so they are depressed. The children are not going to school, so even they are depressed. Let me tell you, 94% people die on the ventilator, 6% people who come alive from the ventilator, half of them die within 2-3 months, and those 3% who survive are in a pathetic state.
Precautions to be taken during COVID-19. Wash your hands, often with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Use an alcohol sanitizer, which contains at least 60% alcohol, with soap and water and not available. Avoid touching your eyes, nose and mouth with unwashed hands. Avoid close contact with people who are usually sick. Cover your cough or sneeze with a tissue, then throw the tissue in the trash. Clean and disinfect surfaces which are frequently touched. Maintain at least 6 feet social distancing with people in public places, particularly those who are coughing, sneezing or having fever. Wear a cloth face covering in public settings where other social distancing measures are difficult to maintain.
Wash your hands with soap and warm water regularly. Cover your cough or sneeze with your sleeve or tissue. Dispose of tissue and wash your hands afterwards. Avoid touching eyes, nose or mouth, especially with unwashed hands. Avoid close contact with people who are sick. If you experience symptoms of COVID-19, cough, fever, shortness of breath, call your healthcare provider. Stay home, stay safe.
COVID mind. There are 6 COVID mind. First one is Ayurveda, homeopathy and herbal medicine can cure the coronavirus. Vitamin C help cure the infection. Eating garlic will prevent the infection. Drinking hot water can prevent the virus from infecting you.
बरसों से सहमी सी मेरी आवाजें ये सब्र कहाँ पाएगी